Isingire twirene koraje mnonga kandi ari kusinga ihanga lyona kandi okujaguza nahategarukire yasinga ihanga.
Today we gather with joy and pride to celebrate a remarkable achievement. The Isingiro district has been ranked the best performing district #1 in Uganda under the national local government performance in service delivery for financial year 2024-2025. This is no mean and isolated success. It is a result of years of hard work, teamwork, consistency, discipline, and commitment.
Chairman w'Isingiro yakosa omugishogu okushaba Vice President ku Isingiro ekirikwetaaga amarwariro na munonga area district.
1 million people you have had, both the nationals and the refugees. It is very absurd to report to you that, Your Excellency, we don't have a district hospital. We have only health center force, and we have health center 2 and 3 is working very well, but we don't have a district hospital. And when the president came, we requested the president to give us Tervet Rwekubo and give it a district hospital status, and he agreed. But up to now, we haven't received any official communication.
Ugu yanjira ashaba omugenyi mukuru kuba kiine ekizibu ky'enguuto mbi ngu kandi eki nikireeta obutagira byoma birikumara kandi yashaba kuba bayamba aha nshonga egi.
We requested His Excellency since the time of Honorable Ignatius, we received a grader from Mbarara, and that grader is very old. It is honorable minister who normally maneuvers and see how we can help us and bring us some graders from somewhere. Now, we requested the president add us at least 2 more road units to serve the purpose of this district.
We had challenges of administration. We go to the district. We had challenges of the road. We have roads made. We still gallop with some challenges which the chairman mentioned.
Honorable Bright Ramirama yasima President Museveni habw'okufaayo kureba ngu Isingiro yahebwa sente zo kuyisa abanyisingiro obuheereza.
Your Excellency, we thank you, we thank the President for his inestimable support for this country. Here in Isingiro, we are not anywhere on the map of Uganda known for anything. But Isingiro now, we are on the map for many things.
Retired Major Jessica Alupo yasima abanyisingiro abokugira enkwatanisa n'okufaayo kusisya abantu obuheereza.
Saying that I'm honored to join the people of Isingiro on this important occasion as we celebrate your recognition as the best performing local government in Uganda in service delivery performance assessment for financial year 24-25 by the Office of the Prime Minister.
Yanjira yaraganisa district y'Isingiro kuneija kuhebwa ebindi byoma by'okukora enguuto.
You said something about the road. You said the road equipment. The Honorable Byanyima, you were saying about the road equipment.
Isingiro twirene esinga ihanga lyona omu kusikya gy'abantu obuheereza okumara emyaka 5. Amakuru agashakwa Gerard ahimbisibwe abwatyari Wesito muri Isingiro.